Hello, let's make some juicy beef kebabs in just a few simple steps. Start by chopping your yellow onion, cilantro, and garlic. Then place a pound of ground beef onto a bowl and add your diced onion, cilantro, and minced garlic. Keep them very fine. And now add your ground seasonings, which are black pepper, onion and garlic powder, paprika, and some salt. And then, since I'm using meat that's a little bit more lean, I'm adding half a tablespoon of olive oil. If you use fattier meat, skip that step. Mix until everything is nicely combined, and then divide up your meat into pieces that you're going to make the kebabs out of. And then you will need the skewers. So you're going to shape each piece of the meat and then press it onto the skewer like I'm doing here. Shape it nicely, make sure it's evenly distributed on the skewer like so. And then you're going to lay this out on a lined baking tray, preferably with a rack, so that everything cooks nicely. And then bake this for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. That's the first step. Now we are going to prepare some more seasoning to add onto the top. I'm using melted butter, olive oil, paprika, some fresh black pepper, some pepper flakes, the red pepper flakes, just a little bit of each thing according to your preference, and then some chopped parsley. Cilantro would also work nicely here. Mix everything until it's nicely combined like so, and then we're going to take that meat out of the oven at the 10-minute point, after it's cooked for 10 minutes. And we're going to brush each piece with this nice kind of like marinade. And then we are going to return it to the oven. So use a basting brush or anything that allows you to brush this onto the meat nicely. You can do this one side at a time. When you're done brushing on the top side, go ahead and flip all the meat and then brush on the undersides as well. This is going to add some richness to the meat, of course, both in flavor and also the final look. So go ahead and brush each very generously. And then you want to do this very quickly so that you can return the meat to the oven to finish cooking before it cools down. So you're going to return this to the oven for 5 more minutes at 400 degrees. And now the meat is ready and you're ready to dig in. So it's very juicy. It is cooked for just the right amount of time. And now you can take the meat off the skewers and just serve it with a salad. I like to serve this with a tomato onion salad. It's called kachumbari in Kenya. And yeah, you could also serve it with any other salad. So just go ahead and add that to the side and then dig in. Of course, you could serve your kebabs over rice, or you could just enjoy them as they are. So guys, enjoy this recipe. If you love it, please do leave a comment, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.